भाइयों आपने स्टार्ट कर दिया अपनी यात्रा फ्रॉम फैक्डिंग टू नामचे बाजार, राइट? और ये ब्यूटीफुल व्यू देख लो, वाह। तो जर्नी स्टार्ट हो गई है हमारी 12 किलोमीटर्स की नामचे बाजार की। वहाँ पे आज हम 2 नाइट रुकेंगे। वहाँ पे 2 नाइट रुकना पड़ता है। क्यों रुकना पड़ता है? क्योंकि एक्लिमेटाइजेशन की वजह से। एक्लिमेटाइजेशन क्या होता है?
So acclimatization is something, you know, when you are going up all the way up and gaining altitude, your body actually needs rest,
and it gets used
to be adaptive towards the altitude. So today we are at 2600 meters and we are going until 3400 meters.
3400 meters.
And again the next day, you know, the next stop is almost 1000 meters more.
1000 meters
so our body cannot really adapt that 1000 meters in one day.
And if you do that, if you keep on going, then you can get headache, you can get nausea,
and
you will
lot of breathing issues.
Lot of breathing issues will come.
So your body needs to be adapted and it needs to be acclimatized.
So that is the reason, bro, you need to stay there for 2 days, and we're gonna stay there and click a lot of photos. We're gonna charge our battery and do everything what we can do, है ना? Leftover works, right?
Yep.
And then today हम आज बात नहीं ले पाए. We're not able to take the shower. And now tomorrow for sure, or maybe after going, we'll try to do something about it. ब्रश करने का टाइम मिल गया था, ये खाना खाने का टाइम मिल गया था। आज हम लेट हैं, हम 2 घंटे लेट हैं। हम नेक्स्ट टाइम ये नहीं करेंगे। हम नेक्स्ट टाइम सही टाइम पे रेडी होंगे, सही पहले जाया करेंगे। वो ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है कि बेटर रहेगा एट द एंड ऑफ द डे। ओके, and that's it. That's the update I want to give you. This Phakding was beautiful place.
So we're going to cross another suspension bridge.
Yeah, it will come for sure. I'll show you. So I'm going to talk about about this village. कि क्या हमें vibes दी हैं. So youngsters are really friendly.
Yeah.
And if you want to talk to youngsters, just talk and talk whatever you want to talk. Right? They will give you the answer. And yeah. People here, the food is good. The food was good, but the room was not. It was okay because facilities was not there. Yeah, that's what I feel little bit. But let's see. Every gaon is different, and every hotel or every lodge is different, right? So we'll not make any judgment here for now. But for the next time, let's see what we'll get. And the bridge is there. See the bridge, and we're gonna shoot some good videos of this bridge as soon as possible. All right, have a nice day.